Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World.
But the material is very, very thin, so I have to be very careful. Alright now, 3 screws to be removed from here so we can take the face off the movement. 1. 2. And the 3rd one. Put them over in the dish so I don't lose them. Now I'll turn the movement up. Face comes off. And there's the front of our movement. We'll take that wheel off to start, put him aside. Turn the movement over. Pull that knob off. Over there with the other ones. Unscrew that one. They're all loose. They're out. Now it's got rid of the back. Turn it over. There's the back of the movement. Doesn't seem to be in too bad a condition, can do with a clean. Hairspring looks right, the balance wheel works, it's pretty dirty. Right, let's remove the back of the movement now. Look for a spanner that'll fit these tiny little nuts. Got to be a bit small on that. That's the one we want. 4 mil. One. Two. 3. It's the 4th one. Take those off. Put them in our dish with all the parts. 2, 3, 4. Leave our 4mm spanner out so we know what size to use once we come to put it back together again. Now very carefully actually before we do that we'll just check to see if the springs are fully wound down or not. I'll put the keys in again. Screwdriver. Hold the key. Pull the click out, that one's down. Take that out again. Very careful of that balance wheel there. Put the mainspring winder in. Use your screwdriver, pull the click out while holding. Yep, that's down, all right. Now we can very carefully take the back plate off. Two, 3, 4. That's that. Looks like that piece there has to be removed. Pair of pliers. That post is threaded. We'll see if this comes off. Yes, it does. That aside. Those with it. Now we'll see how we go. Right, that, grab the balance wheel, put it on there for the moment. We'll take that out. And that's what we've got left with. Right.